Hi, I'm Terry. I've lost 175 pounds with keto and carnivore. Thank you for watching. We got rain happening, and she hates storms. So she is laying right here. She's had medication for it, and so she's kind of in a groggy state, but she hates storms. It's been raining. And, yeah. So, Callie. Hey, girl. How you doing, girl? So she likes to lay, for whatever reason, in this room that before I bought it, I think the house used to have green siding, wood siding, and then they added on this extra room. It is a storage room, and I'm not going to show you. But what happens is I'm not going to show you. The dogs come in through the dog door, and they shake after they've been in the rain. So that water and stuff gets up on the walls. So just wait till it's warmer, then I'll clean it off. But this is like my catch-all. These are pads from when Lou was on when he was on the steroids. I had to put those down in case he peed on the floor. And I've got a fire pit back there, some firewood, some charcoal. This is just because I don't have a shed. This is where all the things that would go in a shed go. So, yeah. And I put the bricks down to try to hold the pads in place, but obviously it doesn't do a good job. I don't know. I think maybe she has to go potty, but doesn't want to go out. But she's a sleepy girl. And there's Baxter. And Lou, he's standing around hoping maybe I give him something. I think Sammy's in the bed. But in the meantime, she came inside. Good job, girl. Good job. Yay, sweet girl. All right, so now let's get on to the food portion. All right, it's time to get our food ready for tomorrow. I want to take one of my electrolytes with me. And so I'm going to take that one. So I'll put that in here with my stuff. And so breakfast, I'll have, what flavor? I'll have some vanilla yogurt and my muffin. Look, this is what I do before I pop it in the microwave at work. I'm going to show you right here. I break it in half. And then through the baggie, wait a minute. No, I don't think I open it. I break it in half, and I break that in half, and that in half. And then I break the top part of it in half, or into pieces. Then that way, all I have to do is microwave it, and then plop it out, or put it on the little paper plate and microwave it. And it's already broken up in bite-sized pieces. I told you, think smarter, not harder, man. So I am going to take my jambalaya with me tomorrow. Got some of that set out. And I've got some rutabaga. I'll take that with me. So that'll be lunch. And breakfast will be my muffin and my yogurt. And then, like I said, I'm taking these electrolytes. So like I said the other day, I could not do intuitive eating because I see this amount of food right here. And my brain says, but that's not enough. What if I get hungry? What will I do? Knowing darn good well I have some tuna at work. It's like in one of those baggies. So I could eat some tuna if I ever felt like I was going to die or something. I just look at this and I get, when my brain thinks of it, and it's like, that's just not very much food. And it kind of stresses me out if I think about it. So that's why I could not do intuitive eating, at least not yet. Maybe someday when I'm, much further along than I am now. But as far as today, absolutely not. Now I'm going to take another ice because it's been fun to have them at lunchtime. So let's take... Nope, I had that today. Oh, I don't like black cherry. Hang on. It tastes like cough syrup. Another one. Aww. Well, I guess I'm taking black cherry. It's either this one or the other one, so there we go. So I'll take the black cherry one. Blah. But anyway, so yeah. So that's my lunch tomorrow. Okay, bye. Okay, it's breakfast time. I've got my egg muffin and I'm eating out of here. I did not microwave this, so don't come at me. It's funny the things that people get stressed about. But if I did, I probably wouldn't tell you anyway. Because I don't care about that kind of stuff. And vanilla yogurt. This is strawberry kiwi. We're going to put a little bit in here. I'm going to move back though. Okay. I didn't want it to splatter on my white shirt. Mix her up. Ooh, look how pretty that looks. Hey there, it is lunchtime and I've got my rutabaga. This is the roasted rutabaga that I made last weekend in the oven. Let's see. I need another bite. You just hold your horses. Don't let nobody tell you rutabaga tastes bad or you're obsessed with rutabaga. Tell them people to go take a hike. Rutabaga is life. All right. Now, also, we have our jambalaya. Party over here, party over there, party right here. Yum, yum, yum. I'm telling you, you got to make that jambalaya. All right, bye. Y'all, I just finished my jambalaya and my rutabaga, and you hear me burping? I'm not joking. If you haven't made it, you need to. One of my coworkers, wasn't here whenever I had it on Monday, and she wanted the recipe. It was so good. Oh my gosh, again. Oh, the angels are singing. It is so flavorful. There's so many different flavors in that Creole seasoning. Fabulous. Okay, bye. Hey there. So my friend called and we are going to go out to eat. I'm either going to get the chicken with Swiss cheese and bacon, or I'm going to get a pork steak. She wants to go there. They're having fish tonight, or she wants fish tonight. So anyway, I will see what I get. It's either going to be the pork steak or the chicken breast. So we'll see. I'll show you when I get there. Bye. I got a pork steak, no sauce, and broccoli. And it's supposed to be 2 servings of broccoli, so they're going to bring me another one. But that is going to be my supper. Pork steak and broccoli. Oh man, I should not have eaten that whole thing. But I am Terry Least through and through, and I was not going to just eat half a pork steak and take it home. It's just something I have to work on. It was amazing. It was really good. The broccoli was good. I had a good meal. And now I'm going to head home. I set some more steaks out because I think we're going to make a chili this weekend. But I'm going to do it by like cutting up the thin steaks and cut them into small bite-sized pieces. So we're going to make a chili and we're going to make that pork and rice. I don't know. I forgot. I wrote down what it's called, but we'll just deal with it then. Anyway, so yeah, that's the end of today. Okay, bye.